Hello, my name is Funny Cat, and today I would like to tell you about new ways of rodent control.
In order to fight the rodents, my owners used to use various methods, such for example as usage of mouse traps, usage of various toxics and poisons, and they also tried to use various electronic devices. First of all, I would like to tell you about mouse traps. It is really very interesting to play them, because first of all you have to find the place where the rodents can show up. After that you have to put at least 10 or 15 mouse traps in order to catch 2 or 3 rodents. After the battle, you have to clean them up, and this process is not very pleasant. When you use poison, you can poison not only the rodents, but also the pets. And the usage of poisons is also accompanied by an interesting process of collecting the dead rodents. Believe me, it's really interesting.
Electronic devices is also very convenient, because when you turn it on, it starts making various disgusting signals. Those signals can really help you get rid of all the rodents, but actually it can also help you to get rid of all the people in the house. But now I would like to get you acquainted with my new fellow. He is a hypnotist, and with the help of this cat you can easily get rid of all the rodents. Simply fill it with sunflower seed oil and then put it somewhere in your house.
Being unable to escape from the cat, rodents will die because of gluttony. Moreover, oil has balsamic effect, and as a result rodents won't decompose and its bodies will remain unspoiled. This means that you can easily leave your cat in your country house for a long time, and when you return, all you have to do is to dispose of its contents by pouring them, for example, into fire. Then fill the cat with new oil and use again. It doesn't require any special or toxic means. Our cat is extremely popular among rodents. However, it can sometimes fail to cope with them all. In that case, we strongly recommend you to hire several of our cats in order to help you.
So, with the help of the group of those hypnotists, I've managed to get rid of all the rodents in my house. And also, I've helped my owners to spend time with pleasure. So, that's cool.